Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Janie. In this video, I will be showing you when you go to a restaurant to ask for food down to asking for the bill. So I will be saying the words one time in English, then I will say it 3 times in Spanish to help you with the pronunciations of the words in Spanish. Don't forget to hit that like button and forward this video to anyone you know could use this in their Spanish learning. That being said, let's get started. When you first arrive to a restaurant, hello, hola, hola, hola. Can I have a number? And then you say the number that you would like. Can I have a number? ¿Me puede dar el número? ¿Me puede dar el número? ¿Me puede dar el número? Depending on what kind of restaurant, you can just say, can I have? And then ask for what you want. Can I have? ¿Me puede dar? ¿Me puede dar? ¿Me puede dar? What kind of drinks do you have? ¿Qué tipo de bebidas tienen? ¿Qué tipo de bebidas tienen? ¿Qué tipo de bebidas tienen? What kind of desserts do you have? ¿Qué tipo de postres tienen? ¿Qué tipo de postres tienen? ¿Qué tipo de postres tienen? How much is this going to be? ¿Cuánto va a ser esto? ¿Cuánto va a ser esto? ¿Cuánto va a ser esto? Can I get the bill, please? ¿Me puede dar el bill, por favor? ¿Me puede dar el bill, por favor? ¿Me puede dar el bill, por favor? Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Bye. Adios. 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 Great job! You now know how to walk into a Spanish-speaking restaurant, place an order, and ask for your bill. Now go out and show your family and friends your Spanish-speaking skills. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below anything you would like to learn next. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, have a beautiful day.